Hi, this is Jennifer at the New Home Experts here in Las Vegas, and today I am visiting the beautiful brand new community by Toll Brothers at Ascension. It is called Ridgeline. Here they have their largest size single stories. They're absolutely beautiful. There's 3 floor plans available, 75 home sites total, but believe it or not, they are already down to the last 14 home sites. So the opportunity to purchase here is super limited. So today we're going to be taking a look at these gorgeous models so you can see exactly why people are just, essentially, these are flying off the shelves. I'm excited to show you around. So let's get started right now. So if this is your first time visiting our channel, thank you so much for being here. We look at brand new construction pretty much every day. So if you're looking for great new home content here in the Las Vegas area, make sure to subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can be in the know every time we're going to be dropping a new video about new homes happening here in Las Vegas. Now today I mentioned we are at the Ridgeline Collection out here at the Toll Brothers neighborhood here in Ascension. Ascension overall is going to be guard gated. There's going to be a beautiful 12,000 square foot clubhouse. HOA is $320 a month. This whole community is selling so much better than originally expected, and that is why, again, it's guard gated real estate. Absolutely beautiful floor plans in the very coveted zip code of 89135. We are going to be super close to the Summit Club, is right next door. Great location, really nicely close to the 215 in town center. We're an exit away from downtown Summerlin, and of course about 20 minutes from the Strip. I'm excited to show you these models. There's 3 beautiful floor plans. Let's go take a look. Hello and welcome to the Silverstone model. This is 3440 square feet. And one of the reasons why I'm going to focus in on this model to get started is they do have a floor plan, this floor plan here, that would be ready August of this year. So essentially 8 months from now, that would be completed August of 2025. It is this floor plan. It will be priced just under $2 million, and you'd still have an opportunity to pick out your hard surfaces. So here we do, we walk in. Like I said, these ceilings are amazing. These are actually 16 feet, which is pretty incredible. And then I just absolutely, this is just incredible. I love how open this is. And I just love these beautiful slider doors. And look at these panels of windows on top. It just makes it really light and bright and spacious. This kitchen is gorgeous, but also really nicely laid out. You do have your dining over here. But as big and spacious as it is, it feels really comfortable as well. I'm always curious what's in the refrigerator. There's a lot of water in here. Which one shall I pick? I'll pick this one. But you can see, I mean, how beautifully Toll Brothers does these models. And these floor plans, again, single story, guard gated, Summerlin, it really checks so many boxes. And that's the reason why you're seeing so many sales here. And that's really affecting both the Toll Brothers and the Pulte neighborhoods as well. The smallest Pulte community is the Incline, and that's selling really well too, especially if you're looking for something that's a little bit smaller in square footage. Oh wow, Micah, come back here, take a look at this nice big pantry back here. I love the way this lays out. And then one big gold banana, just for fun. So what's nice as well is that I like the way that the primary bedroom is separated from the rest of the house. Let's go take a look. So now we're going to take a look at the primary bedroom. They did the nice slider out here. I'm always afraid you're going to bang yourself, but you're fine. Again, nice high ceilings. This room is a good size, but it's not oversized. What I like about it is that, you know, it just is going to comfortably fit your furniture. I love the way that they did the fireplace and mounted this gorgeous TV over here. Oh gosh, wow. Take a look at this primary primary bathroom. Now this is interesting. I've seen a lot of showers. I mean, That sounds weird, right? But we do look at a lot of showers. But this one is actually a little bit wider, right? I mean, I always like to joke this was literally my studio apartment when I lived in New York, pretty much. But this is just beautiful, and I love, again, just their use of windows and light in here. I can see why these have sold so incredibly well. So I'm just going to show you guys, just so you can see. Okay, so here are all the home sites. Again, we're looking at the Silverstone, and if you can really believe it, all of this red here is all sold, right? So quite a bit of the neighborhood is sold. The home site that would be available for August is home site number 12. Look how big that lot is. It's almost 12,000 square feet. I mean, that would just be incredible as far as the size of that particular property, as far as how much land you'd be getting, especially here in Summerlin. It's hard to get some of these bigger home sites, right? So that would be ready August. Let's go take a look at the secondary bedrooms right now. Hey, so how cool is this? We're actually this obviously could be done as a bedroom very nicely, but I do love it built out as an office. What's nice too is that it would have its own bathroom here, and that is a 3/4 bath. So it does have a shower in here and a walk-in closet. So obviously this could definitely be done as a bedroom, but here it's an office. But take a look how cool this is. So Micah, you need to follow me. And so now we're going to go through the laundry room. I like the floor in here, actually. It's pretty cute. So watch. We're going through the laundry room into this amazing closet. And then, look, we're going right back into your primary bathroom and into your primary bedroom. So I absolutely love this because honestly, this would fit my lifestyle perfectly because I do work from home quite a bit. So this would be great. I could take my shower, maybe throw in a load of laundry, and then here I am in my office, right here. I just think this is just such a smart setup. And again, the other secondary bedrooms are on the other side of the house. This, of course, could be used as a full-on separate, bedroom, but I really love the use of it as an office space, especially since it's so close to the primary bedroom. Oh my gosh, that sun is really strong. Oh, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon here, so we're getting some strong sun. Let's go take a look at those secondary bedrooms. Okay, this lays out beautifully as well because this is essentially a nice, I kind of envision this, maybe if you want like a TV room, game room, or obviously if you've got kids at home, this would be just sort of a great little loft space, quote unquote, for them. I could definitely see my sons playing video games out here, as I'm sure a lot of us could, right? But what's really nice too is that both of these bedrooms, come take a look in here. So this bedroom has its own full bath. And a walk-in closet. And then over here, you have the same thing. So each of these bedrooms has its own bath, its own closet. So the only thing that I don't love would be this really weird light fixture. I don't know, but everything else in this home is absolutely beautiful. Again, we're gonna put all the details because there is, this home would be ready for an August move-in. We'll put all the details of that August move-in in a link in the description below so you can take a look at that. We're gonna go now take a look at the Satinwood because there is one that will be done in August as well. Hello, and now welcome to the Satinwood floor plan. This is another beautiful single story, 3415 square feet. I love this model too. It's a little bit different, so it just kind of shows you just all the different ways, of course, that Toll Brothers does these beautiful single story homes. Now, one of the reasons why I did obviously want to film in here as well is they do have a home site 63, that would be ready again in August, and that is this home site right here. So if you do like this model, then this is absolutely an option for you that would be ready in about 8 months. So not that far off, believe it or not. Although that is actually my birthday, so maybe I'm not ready for that just yet. But obviously another gorgeous model. You have this big, I mean, this kitchen is incredible, right? I mean, my goodness. And then you have 2 islands, because why have 1 island when you can have 2? So essentially this can really be like your place where you're doing all your kitchen work. And then here, of course, great for entertaining, or really just makes it a great dining space as well. Instead of having a formal dining table here, I mean, you have got this beautiful island. And then of course you have the more formal dining space over there. Over here you have, excuse me. Ooh, you know what looks really good right now? And it's probably because I'm hungry. But doesn't this look kind of good right now? I don't know, I might actually, who doesn't love pasta, right? So pasta any time of day is a good time of day. Pasta and I think coffee are probably like right, Micah? Probably my 2 favorite things. Speaking of which, I love this fixture here. I mean, Toll Brothers, what's so nice is at that design center appointment, of course, you just have so many options as far as different things that you can pick for your upgrades. I mean, Toll Brothers is absolutely known for that. Here you have, again, these huge patio doors, and I love the way that they did these is that you have all this extra light. As up here as well, you have this extra panel of windows, which I think just makes all of this beautiful natural light come through. And then one other thing I did want to show you before we go look at the primary bedroom is I love this little space too. I think this is a great space. I mean, this is just, not that I play chess. Do you play chess? You play chess. My kids know how to play chess, and I have no idea how they know how to play chess because I definitely didn't teach them. But, I mean, this is just a great room, whether it's a game room or just another sitting room. I just think this is a really nice extra space. Let's go take a look at the beautiful primary. I'm excited to show you this primary bathroom. It's really incredible. Okay, welcome to the primary bedroom suite. This, I think, again, a lot of the reasons why that these feel so spacious is just this really nice high ceiling height, and that's really throughout these floor plans. I think it really just adds to make the space feel like there's just a lot of volume. So from here, they have a really nice primary bathroom space as well. I mean, this is really beautiful as far as you have all of this space over here. Now, I'm more of a person, honestly, if you want my opinion, I love separate sinks. I kind of like, but however, this does offer quite a bit of space, and it does have a nice vanity here as well. And then take a look at this closet. Wow, this closet's really nice. Okay, so I was told I'm supposed to be in the tub for a shot. Actually, I'm actually impressed that I actually fit pretty well in here, because a lot of times these tubs you're like, can I even fit in the tub? And here I can, and I'm even wearing heels in the tub, which is a little weird, as you might suspect. However, I can fit my heels in the tub comfortably. Believe it or not, I'm only 5'5", so this actually would accommodate a decent sized human being. Now I'm gonna try to get out of the tub. This is gonna be my tub dismount. I think that was a 10 for a dismount. But what I do actually love, and to be honest, I am more of a shower person, and this shower would definitely work for me, but I'm gonna go in one side and out the other, so watch this. Here I go. Oh wait, here I come out the other side. I don't know if I need 2 entrances into my shower, however, I think it is pretty cool. So one thing I'm loving about these homes is all of the bedrooms are en suite. Here, what's nice is you do have a half bath. So again, for guests that are coming in, I like that it's pretty close to the dining area, but not on top of the kitchen. I don't know if you guys, sometimes I see bathrooms that are like right next to the kitchen. It makes me crazy. But this is just really, I like the location of this. And then here you have a bedroom with its nice walk-in, good size walk-in closet, and its own bathroom. With a really nice shower in there. And then over here, now this they have done as an office. But of course, obviously this could be a bedroom as well. This again has its own bathroom. So it actually has a full bath in here and a closet. I like the little cactus thingamajiggy here. I don't know if it's real or not, and I'm not gonna find out, but it is pretty. Your laundry is over here. And then, I love this I love the way they did this bedroom, because I like the change of the floor in here. So here they did this pretty hardwood floor. This bedroom feels really big. It's a nice, good sized bedroom, isn't it? Yeah, it's really nice. Be careful of the cactus, Spica. Is it real? Yeah. Okay. Whew. Okay, that could have been a lawsuit right there. Oh my goodness. And then you have a nice walk-in closet, and here again. So all of these floor plans just lay out really nicely. There is obviously a third one as well. It's called the Sunfire. And that floor plan is actually 3615 square feet. They do not have that modeled, but I will put the floor plan up for you. And one of the reasons why I'm focusing on these other two is, of course, they're modeled, but also they do have ones that would be considered for Toll Brothers, by the way, quick move-ins, which would be August of 2025. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video today at the beautiful Toll Brothers community, Ascension, of course, here at Ridgeline. Now, as I mentioned throughout this video, the opportunity to be purchasing here specifically in this single-story community is super limited. So if you are interested in any of these remaining home sites, there's still some great opportunities in here. Make sure to get in touch with me. And of course, you can check out all those details in our blog at thenewhomeexperts.com. Thank you again so much for watching our video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you next time.